Title: How to pair hearing aids and Beltone HearMax on iPhone. Logo: Beltone. There's an open charging case, two gray hearing aids lay in front of it, and next to them is an iPhone. The display on the phone shows the HearMax app is open to the page marked Select Your Hearing Aid Type. A finger taps the top first section called Rechargeable behind the ear hearing aids, and it loads the next page to follow the guide to restart your hearing aids. An animated image of the hearing aids going inside the charger plays and steps 1 and 2 are outlined, while fingertips of both hands place the hearing aids inside the empty charger. A finger points to the red and blue colored lines that signify the right and left sides of where the hearing aids are inserted into the charger. The finger taps the Continue bar at the bottom of the phone screen. A snapshot of steps 3 and 4 appear, along with animated hearing aids moving out of the charger. A gray circle selects the Continue button at the bottom of the snapshot. A loading icon appears noting the app is searching for hearing aids, while an animated stopwatch icon counts to 8 seconds. A pop-up appears showing a set of hearing aids has been found and if they should be paired with the phone, and no yes choices. The gray circle chooses yes and the next screen shows animated hearing aid icons being linked with the message connecting your hearing aids. The next page shows instructions 1 through 4 on pairing your hearing aids, with a box at the bottom labeled Go to Settings. The gray circle chooses Go to Settings. The Hearing Devices page appears, and the loading icon spins while it searches. The named hearing aids option appears and is noted as not paired. The gray circle taps on the not paired notation. The hearing aid settings page appear, and a pop-up request of Bluetooth pairing asks to cancel or pair. The gray circle chooses to pair. This happens a second time, and the gray circle again chooses pair. On the settings page, the microphone level increased to 67 on both the left and right sides and the left presets are changed to all around. Made for iPhone Hearing Devices page appears, showing that the hearing aids are connected. There is a box at the bottom labeled Continue. The gray circle taps it, and the screen animation notes it is connecting the hearing aids, while the stopwatch is counting up to 11 seconds. The next display shows a graphic of the hearing aids in the charger with a check mark over them noting the connection is secured, and a box at the bottom labeled OK. The gray circle taps the OK. The next two screens are the same as the original animated instructions 1 through 4 to insert the hearing aids in the charger, wait for the lights and remove them. The final step shows it is downloading and the status rises from 0% to 92%, then a checkmark, where it notes well done and the hearing aids can now be used by hitting the start box at the bottom. Text: download on the App Store. Copyright 2023 GN Hearing AS. All rights reserved. Beltone is a trademark of GN Hearing AS. Apple, the Apple logo, and iPhone are trademarks of Apple Incorporated, registered in the US and other countries. App Store is a service mark of Apple Incorporated, registered in the US and other countries.